can see in the laptop how to create any surface and cut it and fill through fill command. You can more understand in the video how to fill any surface through fillet command. Sorry, fill tool. Here you can see that. So first of all, go to Archicad and select tool. Here you can see that, and after that start sketching here. And if these things, and simply sketch, and here click on it, and after that go to setting. Here you can see that setting and choose, and here fill type, where you can choose which type of surface you need. You can see that solid fill here 25-50%, here space background, foreground, and also you can choose vectoral fill, all type of fills. Here you can see for use of any fill surface. So what I do, we take something like wood fill. So you can use this surface in wood. Here you can see that, and also you can change the color, and also you can change the lines, dash, dotted, all these things you can see that. And also you can choose a color. Here you can choose a color like this color. Yeah. Color. So you can see that. Also fill color, you can see that, and after that you can use in any cut off surface. So you have understand how to use a fill tool for the fill any surface, cut off surface.